snap, 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 snap. That's it. Is that it? How easy. So cute. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. So today's video is going to be a little different than my other videos. It's not makeup, hair, beauty related at all. This, I guess, fits into my little lifestyle category. But I wanted to show you all a product that I bought for my laptop actually. So I bought a laptop cover from a company called Chic Geeks. So I've seen the ads on Facebook and Instagram per usual, and I just had to spend my coins because their laptop covers are so pretty. They are Black owned, so excited to support a Black owned business. But I'm going to show you today, I haven't even opened the box yet. You all know that I love to open stuff on camera and show you my first impression and the review. So I'm going to open it up on camera and we are going to put the laptop cover on my laptop together so I can show you what it looks like. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, now let's just jump right into it. All right, y'all, so this is my laptop. It is a MacBook Pro from Apple. I bought it in March, so I bought it about 7 months ago now, because we're in October now. So it's pretty brand new. It's not even a year old. And this is what I use on a daily basis when I'm working on more of my branding side with Cunning Beauty and working on some other little projects that I have in the works. But this is my baby that I use all the time. So I wanted to hook her up and make her look nice and cute. So this is the box that the laptop cover comes in. So I'm going to open it up. Hopefully I got the right size for the MacBook Pro that I have. So we're gonna find out together. Get it out the box. All right, so this is it. As you can see, it's from Chic Geeks. It is such a pretty cobalt blue, looks like a faux alligator skin, snake skin, whatever you want to call this type of material. So very nice packaging. It has their social media platforms on the back. Protects your MacBook against scratches and scuffs, designed to fit your MacBook perfectly. Thin and light design ensures your MacBook stays light on its feet. Two-piece design makes it easy to put on or remove in airport security. So, and you still have access to all of your ports on the side. And again, it's two-piece, so it makes it easy to put it on and take it off. It also does come with a little card. So let's see what the card says. I feel like it's my birthday. Chic Geek just says, let's be friends. I already follow them on Instagram, so done. It looks like this is the card with the instructions. So we'll read that so we can make sure we're doing this right. There's a thank you card and then my receipt. So let's just kind of jump into it. Let's look at the instructions. So first, actually, let's open it up so you can see how pretty it is. Look at that, it's so cute. Blue is my favorite color, so I had to get it in blue, but this is what it looks like. This is the back, obviously the bottom of the laptop. So this is the bottom. This is the top cover. I will say it does feel nice and sturdy. Has a little hole there for the Apple logo. So, all right, let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, so firmly press each side of your hard shell case until you hear or feel a gentle snap. So I think what I'll do is put the bottom part on first, like so. Oh, y'all heard that? Heard the snap? Nope, that's not right because it's covering. So you can already tell that I did this wrong. So this part where where you don't see the black should be on the other side because now I'm blocking the ports. So let's take this off. Let's see if it truly is easy to, there we go. Oh yeah, very easy to put on and take off. So let's flip it over. And now you just snap it on. There we go, snap, snap, done. So now, as you can see, we have access to our ports where we can put our, like our USB and our charger. So we're good there. So let's put the top on. I'm gonna assume it's gonna go like this so we can see the Apple logo. So let's see how easy this snaps on. Oh, snap, 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 snap. That's it. Is that it? How easy. So cute. Look how pretty. This is nice and blue. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. They also have other accessories like for iPads and, oh, I'm still snapping stuff. It's not even on all the way. Okay, hold on. Snap, snap. All right. I think that was it. I think I'm good now. As I was saying, they also have covers for iPads, cell phones. I want to get one like this for my cell phone, so I'll be ordering that one next. But I think this is very cute. Look at that. So I just wanted to come on and show you what I got, kind of show you what I bought. I will put the link below to Chic Geeks in the description box so you can check them out yourself. They have a plethora of different colors to choose from: green, yellow, purple, black. They have black and white, snakeskin, alligator, whatever material this is, to choose from. So lots, there's one to fit everyone's personality or everyone's mood. So definitely recommend. I think this is super cute. And that's really it. If you liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.